guys, this is still part 4 of lawnmower destruction. That plate kind of popped on my eye and it might have accidentally hit the power button on my phone. Do you hear this? Why is this plate making these noises? Destroy yourself. This thing's still popping. It's starting to pop on me, and I have no clue why. Oh, jeez. This thing's plumb just destroyed by now. Dang! This plate is indestructible. I wish you wouldn't hold my junk off. I would be able to make more money. If you wouldn't hold on my junk off, I would be able to make more money.
I know it, but I've looked at that shit for too many years, and it's trying to clean it up a little.
You just cussed in my clean video.
Uh-oh. Erase.
Welcome to Board Smashing Tree. Huh? Welcome to Board Smashing Tree. The tree's indestructible. Now that's a little bit. Now that's something. That's something the good brick normally doesn't say. But the good brick 456 heaven cannot destroy a tree. That's one thing he cannot destroy. Welcome to Board Smashing Tree. Dang! Dang! The good brick's giving up. The good brick's giving up. The good brick give up. My arm hurts. Ooh. What's this thing? What's this thingy? Oh. The good brick does not give up here. He found the wire. Ow! The good brick officially gives up. Like and subscribe for part 5. Peace. Like and follow for part 5. Until next time, peace.